I lost 180 pounds, and during maintenance, some of the weight came back. This series documents losing 20 pounds realistically without panic, punishment, or starting over. Good morning. It's Red Hat Ladies Day. I went ahead and put on this little red thing in my hair today. I have a pin and my necklace and a necklace. So I haven't been in, oh my gosh, I think it's been 2 months. And it makes me very sad when I don't get to go because I love my ladies. I love my friends. So I'm so stinking excited I get to go. I need to fix this this is a barrette at the top of this. I'm thinking I might, I don't know. Part of me wants to take it off and see if I can clip it in my hair this way. But I'm afraid it won't stay. But I'm going to find out. Because I might do it. Whoop, hello. Help if I don't know if it has the power to stay or not. Oh, it does flip around. So, anyway, hi. So today there will not be macros. I mean, I'm eating the same foods. That's not a big deal. But what happens is, on Red Hat Lady Night, we go to this pizza place. And they make this delicious, it is a pizza bake. I always get it. Not every pizza place around will do it. So, but this one does. And so, I always say a pizza. And so what they do is they take all the toppings of a pizza, whether it's a smaller one or a medium one or whatever size you would say. They put that much sauce and that much topping on it. Maybe I'll just not clip it and see what I think. Ow, I think it's accidentally clipped to me. But anyway, so they put everything that goes on the pizza into this little dish, and it gets baked. So, no, I think I like it better on the other side. And it gets baked. And anyway, so I have all the flavors of a pizza, but I don't have the carbs of the pizza crust. So anyway, so it works out. I love it. And sometimes I get a 1-trip salad bar, sometimes not, depends. So I'll see what I get tonight and I'll show you. But anyway, today I did something different. So I had some coffee left over from when I was at Angie's last weekend. And so all I did was add my instant coffee, and I did not add any milk. I added my instant coffee and my syrup from home. And so now I'll have a cold coffee this afternoon. It's supposed to get 76, but it looks like, yeah, it's 67 right now. So anyway, it's not, guessing this is we're in spring now, spring in March. So March came in, I grew up hearing the saying, March goes in like a lion and out like a lamb. So March came in like I don't know. It came in, I mean, we've had a few thunderstorms, like 2 or 3, but it wasn't, oh, look, is that the moon behind us? No, it's a street light, I think. Is it a street light? I can't see. I'm trying to figure out where I'm going to point to myself. So let's see. Terry, it's a street light. Okay, sorry. Anyway, yeah, spring has sprung. So, all right, I'll see y'all later. Bye. Y'all, this car stinks. It just stinks. I think it's a combination of dogs and food. That's all right. I'm going to take those off so you can see my eyeballs. Look, I have eyeballs. Anyway, so I told y'all no macros today because we red hatters go out to eat. But I did write down everything that's in here. It is 8 grams. No. Terry, get it together. I did this yesterday. My mouth was like trying to be faster than my brain, or vice versa. So it's 8 ounces of 80% ground beef, 55 grams of ketchup. I use the G. Hughes sugar-free ketchup. Then I've got 20 grams of bacon bits and 1 slice of my fat-free cheese. I still have quite a bit of it left. All right, so I'm going to show you how ooh, that's hot. Hang on. All right. And then some rendered fat that's down in there. Can you see that all right? See that rendered fat mixed in with the ketchup? Y'all, this is going to be so stinking good. Oh, my gosh. It's going to be so good, I'm going to want to slap the Judith. Slap the taste right out of Judith's mouth. They used to say that when we were kids. We kids used to say it to each other, not my mama. My mama and dad, they made an agreement before they had kids that they were never going to slap our faces. I don't know what brought that conversation up, but yep, that was their agreement. But it didn't stop them from slapping my butt. But my butt needed a lot of slapping. I was a naughty little kid. I was that kind of kid that's like, hey, Terry, I can't let you say it. Don't touch it because it's hot. I had to find out. Like, I would try to be sneaky, but I was never sneaky because it'd be, ow! So I was like that one. I'd be like sneaking when mom wasn't looking at me. Ow! I told you. Then my sister, my middle sister, mom would say, now, Missy, don't touch it. It's hot. What do you mean it's hot? I don't know if it's really hot. How do you know it's hot? Have you touched it? I feel like I need to touch it to make sure it's not hot because maybe you're wrong. Missy would have argued with God when she was a teenager. I'm trying to let it cool down. That gum, that's good. Man, oh man, oh man. So I told you already, I'll get my pizza bake tonight at Red Hats. So, I'm going to eat this. Oh, wait, hang on. Let me take one more bite. Y'all know I just got to take a second bite. I left it in for 2 minutes. That was definitely a little bit much. That is good. And that, and got grape Zevia. Look, I look like I'm in a commercial for Zevia. Purple and purple. Anyway, I'm not a commercial for them. I don't have stock in them. But I do like their drinks. Where'd my key go? Should you get their drinks? I don't know. Don't be asking me stuff about stuff. I'll tell you the wrong thing. Not on purpose. Anyway, so that's what I know. I haven't decided if I'll take a walk or not because I'm afraid this is going to get... It's going to go out in the wind. How do you like that? How do you like them sound effects? When I was a kid, we'd do something and my mom would be like, if you're describing something, yeah, my steering wheel's going... She'd say, how's that again? Oh, Mom. Anyway, all right, well, I love you, weirdos, and I will see you. I'll see you at Red Hats. Bye. A couple weeks ago. That's my one trip salad. So. And I also got my pizza bake. And then this is my pal. And that's the other ladies here too. These are all of my friends. I ate every bite, y'all. Look, she's waving again. That's that Katie. Okay, and that is my pizza bake. I wanted meat lovers, but I said everything, so it is. See, just like I told y'all, there's sauce and all kinds of stuff in it. So that is my pizza bake, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Hey there, I'm home, and as you can see, I'm ready for bed. Yeah, so that was it. I had a pizza bake, and then I had the one trip salad, and that's what I had tonight. It's my favorite thing to get when I go there. And yeah, all right, I love y'all, and I'll see you tomorrow.